Our group is Tuesday 04. I am Harish Mokashi. He is Anush Gupta, Mayank Gupta, and Vansh Agrawal. Our project is portable miniature DC current controller cum indicator for panel mounting. So our project is portable miniature DC current controller and indicator for 5 volt and current within range of 0 to 3 ampere. Our current controller has two modes, constant current mode and constant voltage modes. So the user can set current with the user interface. Whenever the actual current drawn by the load cannot go up to the set current, then the mode of operation will be constant voltage mode. If the current crosses that set current, then it will be constant current mode. And in the constant voltage mode, the voltage across the load will be constant voltage of 5 volts. And in constant current mode, the current will be limited to set current by the user.
So this is our model. In this you can see the required current which will be set by the rotary encoder. This is the set current and this is the actual current which will be flowing through the circuit. So now there's a load of 4.7 by 2 ohm. So now we'll set a very high current of 2.88 and you can see this goes in the constant voltage mode. So the current flowing through this has an accuracy of about 100 milliamps and you can see that the current is very accurate and it's in constant voltage mode, so the current is also accurate. So current is around 5 voltage. So the voltage is around 5 volt and now we'll reduce the current a lot. And now the voltage is very low and now the current is very low and it's in CC mode and the current is again accurate. Now along with this we have a user based UI model. Now I'll be short circuiting the load to show you a different model. So now I'm short circuiting the load. I've short circuited the load and then now I'm connecting. I'll connect the UART wire. Yes, now I'm connecting. So I can write the current. So now I've set the current to 1.5 and now you can see here on the screen. So my current is set at 1.5 and I can see it's in CC mode at 1.5 ampere and it's again accurate. So now you can also read the current on the screen. So it's 1.54, we had set 1.5, so it has an accuracy of within 100 milliamps. And there are multitude of benefits in this project. So like UART can be used for motor control, to view current in motors and temperature dependent thermistors, and it has many other benefits. So I'll also use one more thing. I'll take the current to 3 amperes and show you a short test.
What is the purpose of this?
So we can observe current in the laptop and we can see see different characteristics about the load we have connected. So like if you have a motor, you can you can observe the current flowing through the motor and then see how much the motor has turned. So you can observe a motor, you can connect a thermistor across it and then check the temperature characteristics of it too.